morning everyone. We were studying chapter 5, data handling. In this chapter we have already studied about the graphs, histogram, pie chart. Now in today's class we are going to study about the probability and chance. So sometimes it happens that during rainy season you carry a raincoat every day and it does not rain for many days. However, by chance one day you forgot to take the raincoat and it rains heavily on that day. Sometimes it is so happen that a student prepare 4 chapters out of 5 very well for a test, but a major question is asked from the chapter that she left unprepared. Everyone knows that a particular train ran in the time, but the day you reach well in the time, it is late. You face a lot of situations such as these where you take a chance and it does not go the way you want it to. Can you give some more example? These are examples where the chances of a certain thing happening or not happening are not equal. The chances of the train being in time or being late are not the same. When you buy a ticket which is waitlisted, you do take a chance. You hope that it might get confirmed by the time you travel. We, however, consider here certain experiments whose results have an equal chance of occurring. So what is the chance and probability? Actually, it is saying that when you take an umbrella on a rainy day, okay, तो उस टाइम पे तो बारिश होती ही नहीं है. और when you forgot to take an umbrella and suddenly उस टाइम पे बारिश स्टार्ट हो जाती है. So this is the event और यू कैन से दिस इज़ द प्रोबेबिलिटी कि हम कंसिडर करते हैं कि अभी रेनी डे है तो रेन हो सकती है, बट व्हेन वी फॉरगॉट उसी दिन ही रेन हो जाती है. सो दिस इज़ द चांस. ओके, एंड वी टेक चांस जब हम ट्रेन का टिकट बुक करते हैं. आर टिकट इज़ नॉट कन्फर्म्ड, बट हम चांस लेते हैं, हम रिस्क लेते हैं कि दैट विल बी कन्फर्म्ड. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द चांस. जब आपको पता नहीं है कि व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट और व्हाट विल बी द you know it कि what will be the outcome, but you don't know that what will be the actual result. Okay, so this is the chance and probability when we assume something कि ऐसा हो सकता है. Okay, so getting a result, कैसे हम result को लेते हैं? There are 2 types of result. You can say that is a random experiment and there is a outcome. Okay, random experiment क्या होता है? That imagine that you are the captain of one team and your friend is the captain of the other team. You toss a coin and ask your friend to make the call. Can you control the result of the toss? Can you get a head if you want one or a tail if you want that? No, that is not possible. Such an experiment is called a random experiment. Random experiments क्या होता है? जब आपको पता नहीं कि outcome क्या आएगा, but you know कि इनमें से एक रिज़ल्ट आ सकता है. सो दिस इज़ द रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड आउटकम्स क्या है? जो भी रिज़ल्ट आ सकते हैं. लाइक कॉइन को टॉस किया तो यू विल गेट हेड और टेल, इसके अलावा तो और कोई रिज़ल्ट नहीं आएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द आउटकम एंड रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट मीन्स you don't know the result but you know the outcome. Okay, next is equally likely outcomes. Equally likely means when you toss a coin multiple times तो probability बढ़ जाती है कि outcomes आपके favor में ही होगा. That means if you choose head, ठीक है, if you want to select a head while tossing a coin, तो after a particular time you know you can guess what will be the result. So this is the equally likely outcomes. Here you can see a coin is tossed several times and the number of times we get head or tail is noted. Let us look at the result sheet where we kept on increasing the tosses. So you can say number of tosses are 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay, we draw a tally mark according to the outcome and here we get 27 number of heads and 23 number of tails while tossing the coin 50 times. We get 28 number of heads and 32 number of tails while tossing a coin 60 times. We get 33 number of heads and 37 number of tails while tossing a coin 70 times. So you can say कि at the end you can guess what will be the result. Okay, so as you increase the number of tosses more and more, the number of heads and the number of tails come closer and closer to each other. So these are the equally likely outcomes. Okay, linking chances to probability. As I told you, probability means कि you can assume what will be the result. Okay, but how we can link chances to probability. As you know, when we toss a dice, जब हम dice को toss करते हैं, okay, that time we will get 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 only. उसके अलावा तो we are not going to get any other number. Okay, so what we do, हम क्या करते हैं, chances को probability से link करते हैं. How? जैसे if we want even number on the dice, so once we roll out the dice, we will get 2 4 or 6, so the probability will be 3/6, that is equal to 1/2. तो 2 4 6 हमारा इवन नंबर है, इसके अलावा तो और कोई इवन नंबर है नहीं. ओके, एंड 6 क्या है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ टोटल नंबर्स. सो वी कैन फाइंड the probability by using the formula that is equal to the required number divided by the total number. So the required number are 2 4 6, that means 3 only. Okay, 2 4 6 को अगर हम काउंट करें तो टोटल 3 नंबर हो रहे हैं. एंड द टोटल आउटकम कैन बी 6, बिकॉज एक डाइस के ऊपर टोटल नंबर्स कितने होते हैं, 6. ओके, तो वी कैन फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ इवन नंबर दैट इज इक्वल टू 3/6, or we can say that is equal to 1/2. Okay, similar way we can find the probability of toss a coin if we want head on a particular coin. Okay, so the probability will be 1/2, because total number are 2, that is head and tail, and head comes when you will get 1. Okay, एक ही बार हेड आ सकता है, बार बार तो हेड नहीं आ सकता. So the probability of tossing a coin and getting a head is 1/2. Okay, I hope now you understand. This is the formula to find the probability. Okay, that's it. Thank you everyone.